Hello student of class 11. This is the continuation part of the previous video of the chapter AP. This is the third video of AP. If A is a fixed real number, sum number 22 in my book. If A not equal to 0, a fixed number, and A minus x by px equal to A minus y by qy and A minus z by rz, this equal to this. If p, q are r in AP, here p, q are r in AP, that means q minus p equal to r minus q. Otherwise I can write it 2q equal to p plus r. Show that 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z are in AP. It is given. So I can write this equal to case A. So A minus x equal to k into kpx. So A equal to 1 plus kp into x. So 1 by x equal to 1 plus kp by A. Similarly, from A minus y by qy equal to k, we have A by 1 by y equal to 1 minus kq by b, and A minus z by rz equal to k. From here we can write 1 by z equal to 1 plus k r by c. Sorry, this A and this A. We have to prove these are in AP. That means 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z are in AP. That means we have to prove 1 by x plus 1 by z equal to 2 by y. So left hand side equal to 1 by x plus 1 by z. This equal to x plus z by, this equal to 1 plus kp by a, 1 plus k r by a. So 1 plus kp plus 1 plus k r by a. This equal to 2 plus 2 p plus r by a. P plus r equal to 2q by a. That means 1 plus kq by a. This equal to 2, 1 by 2 by, this is a, this equal to 2 by y. Okay, 2 by y. So I can say 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z are in AP. Okay. Next sum number 23. If a plus c equal to 2b and ad plus cd plus ad plus ad, this equal to 3bc, prove that 4 numbers a, b, c and d are in AP. So I have here ABC. From here I can write a plus c equal to 2b. That means a, b, c are in AP. Okay. That means a equal to 2b minus c. A equal to 2b minus c into d plus cd plus, we remove a from here, 2b minus c into d, this equal to 3bc. 2bd minus cd plus cd plus 2bd minus cd equal to 3bc. cd cancel out. This equal to AB, this equal to AB. So this is not this. 2b square minus bc plus cd. cd cancel out. 2b square plus 2bd my equal to 4bc. If I take 2b common from both sides, b plus d equal to 2c. That means BCD are in AP, BCD are in AP, and we have ABC are in AP. So I can write, we have ABC are in AP, that means B minus A equal to C minus B minus C, and from here we have C minus B equal to D minus C. B minus C equal to, here B minus A, this equal to we have A minus B equal to C minus B minus C, that means C minus B, that means B minus A equal to C minus B. So C minus B equal to D minus C equal to A minus B. That means I can say from these two equations I can say A, B, C, D are in AP, right? Okay, I am ending here.